PT. First point is measurement of high voltage and current. In the industry, we want to measure the high voltage and high current. So we have required the current transformer CT for measurement of current and potential transformer PT for measurement of voltage. In the CT and in the PT, we have measured the voltage in follow in the form of ratio. In the CT, we have the ratio is 1 ampere or 5 ampere. In the case of potential transformer having ratio 1010 volt or 120 volt. These ratio we have generally used in high voltage measurement and high current measurement. The transformer which measure the current is called CT, and transformer whose measure the voltage, higher voltage in the circuit is called potential transformer. Second point, operation of relays. We have number of relays connected in the power system for protection purpose. So we have essentially required instrument transformer for protection of relays or operation of relays. Third point है protection of power system. Protection of power system is also a very important terms which is used in the power system protection. So we have required for protection of power system, we have required an instrument transformer. Next, the measurement of such very large electrical quantities can be made possible by using the instrument transformer with these small ratings measurements. Therefore, these instrument transformers are very popular in modern power system. The instrument transformer has two types: current transformers and potential transformer. Current transformers are shortly called CT and potential transformers shortly called PT. This is the circuit diagram we are using the presentation are showing in the different type of substations and laboratories. This is the arrangement of current transformer. In the industries, the current transformer is primary is connected power circuit in the series, and measuring instruments are connected in secondary side of the CT. In case of potential transformer, the potential transformer primary is connected power circuit, and secondary all the measuring instruments are connected in secondary side of the potential transformers. This is the arrangement for current transformer and potential transformer. What is the current transformer? Current transformer is used to step down the current of power system to lower level to make it feasible to be measured by a small rating ammeter, 5 ampere up to 5 amperes. A typically connection diagram of a current transformer shown in the figure. In this figure we have seen there is three-phase supply is called power supply, R by B, R for red, Y for yellow, and B for blue. In current transformer, its primary is connected in power circuit with the series, and measuring instruments are connected in the secondary side of CT. In case of this connection of the ammeter, first after that we have switch closed before disconnecting the ammeters. This is the for protection of the CT. This is the arrangement of the CT in the power circuit. The current another arrangement and another diagram for current transformer you have seen in this diagram. This is the arrangement of current transformer. This is the symbolic representation of CT in the circuit. This is the another fix for identifying the current transformer and voltage transformer in the industries. Just you have seen in this figure. This is the current transformer. This is the current transformer is equivalent circuit type presentation. This is the block diagram type voltage transformer presentation.